Today, we're tackling a very common and annoying problem: tartar buildup on your teeth. Stick around because I'm going to show you exactly how to dissolve tartar on your teeth, step by step, with some easy-to-follow methods that really work. And trust me, you don't want to miss this. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! So, what is tartar anyway? Tartar, also known as dental calculus, is a hardened plaque that forms on your teeth. It can cause gum disease and other oral health issues if left untreated. So here's how to treat it. Brushing technique. First things first, proper brushing technique is crucial. Use a soft-bristled toothbrush and tartar-controlled toothpaste. Brush your teeth at least twice a day. Hold your toothbrush at a 45-degree angle to your gums and use short, back-and-forth strokes. Make sure to brush all surfaces of your teeth: the front, back, and chewing surfaces. Brushing for at least 2 minutes each time is key. Baking soda mix. Next, we're going to make a natural tartar dissolving paste with baking soda. Baking soda is a mild abrasive that helps scrub away tartar without damaging your enamel. Mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda with a pinch of salt and a few drops of water to form a paste. Dip your toothbrush into the paste and brush your teeth with it. Focus on areas where tartar is most visible. Do this once a day for a week. Hydrogen peroxide rinse. Hydrogen peroxide has antibacterial properties that can help reduce tartar buildup. Mix equal parts of hydrogen peroxide and water. Swish this solution around in your mouth for 30 seconds, then spit it out. Rinse your mouth with water afterwards. Use this rinse a couple of times a week. Note: using a hydrogen peroxide rinse several times a week might disrupt the oral microbiome. It's best to consult a dentist before using it regularly. Apple cider vinegar rinse. Apple cider vinegar is another natural remedy that can help dissolve tartar. It's slightly acidic and can break down the plaque and tartar. Dilute 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in a glass of water. Swish it around in your mouth for 30 seconds, then spit it out and rinse thoroughly with water. Use this rinse sparingly, about once a week, because it's quite strong and can damage tooth enamel with overuse. Flossing daily. Flossing is super important in removing plaque and preventing tartar buildup between your teeth. Use about 18 inches of dental floss and wind most of it around each middle finger. Hold the floss tightly between your thumbs and forefingers and gently insert it between your teeth. Curve the floss into a C shape against the side of your tooth and gently slide it under the gum line. Move the floss up and down, cleaning the side of the tooth. Use a fresh section of floss for each tooth. Using a dental pick. If you have visible tartar that's hard to reach, you might want to use a dental pick. These are the tools that dental hygienists use to scrape off tartar. Be very gentle to avoid damaging your enamel or gums. Carefully use the pick to scrape the tartar off the teeth, especially around the gum line. This step can be done once a week or as needed. Maintaining good oral hygiene. Lastly, maintaining good oral hygiene is crucial to preventing tartar buildup. Regular dental checkups are essential. Your dentist can professionally clean your teeth and remove any stubborn tartar that you couldn't get rid of at home. Also, try to avoid sugary foods and drinks that contribute to plaque formation. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends and family. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or if there are other topics you'd like us to cover. We love hearing from you. Remember, keeping your teeth tartar-free is not just about a pretty smile, it's about maintaining good oral health. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.